I'm here today at Clínica Tambre in Madrid. I'm here with Dr. Marban, who is going to be doing a scan.
Nice to meet you.
A scan on me. And we're doing this today because we are at the moment giving away an opportunity of a free cycle of IVF ICSI with egg donation to one of our fortunate readers. And this is part of the testing process. So we want to show you what happens.
So here we can see the right ovary, right? It's looking completely normal, no cysts. Okay. And there are like 3 follicles, antral follicles total.
And is that because, does it depend on which day of your period, of your cycle you're in?
It may depend first on age,
right?
And then of course depending on the moment of the period, the follicles, the antral follicles could be more like visible or not so easy to be seen in the end, because if there is a big follicle, a dominant follicle, which is what is called, sometimes we can't see all the follicles, right?